All right, here we go. Question number 1 from our 0314 homework number 7 in MyLab Math. And the instructions say solve. So here we have a quadratic equation. And the first thing that you need to do in order to solve a quadratic equation is you need to make sure that it's equal to 0, which our equation is equal to 0. And there's 3 techniques to solve a quadratic equation. You can solve by factoring, completing the square, or the quadratic formula. And since factoring is the fastest way to solve a quadratic, we're going to try factoring first. So here, if I read the signs, I can see a minus at the back makes the signs different. So we're going to have a plus and minus. It's going to take v and v to make the v squared. And then I need 2 numbers that multiply to make 16, that subtract and make -6. And those numbers are going to be 2 and 8. So 2 times -8 is -16. 2 minus 8 is -6. And it does matter where you put those numbers because you have to come up with -6. So now that we have it factored, we're going to set each factor equal to 0 and solve. So v plus 2 equals 0. If I move the 2 over, we can see v is -2. That's a solution. And v minus 8 equal to 0. If I move the -8 over, we can see v is equal to 8. And every quadratic has 2 solutions, okay? And just a side note, the biggest power in your polynomial indicates the number of solutions, okay? Now, for a bonus trick here, we're going to look at how the Casio Class Whiz can actually solve this problem for us. If we go to the menu option, we want to scroll down until we get to the equation/function mode, and we're going to hit equal to select that mode. We have a polynomial equation, so we're going to hit number 2, and our degree is 2. The degree is the biggest power on any variable. And then you're going to see that it's going to prompt for the values for a, b, and c. Well, in our polynomial, the value of a, which is the coefficient of the squared variable, that's going to be 1. So we're going to hit 1 and equals. The coefficient of v, the middle term, is -6. So we're going to input -6 equals. And the constant is -16. So we're going to input -16 and hit equals. And then if I hit equals one more time, it's going to tell me the first solution is 8, which verifies the positive 8. If I hit equals again, it gives me the other solution. So the Casio Class Whiz does have a built-in quadratic solver, and it will give you the solutions. Now let's see if we're right. And I don't think it's going to matter which order you put those in. So I'm going to put -2 first and then 8. And we're done. All right, so I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.